We're doing it on Omega. Episode 419, part 1. Try GOON versus PK Fire GOON. He's going to E-Telly, Ash it, ends his turn. Alright. Fractal, Kit, Nerval, add Karis, normal summon Karis, activate effect, banish those two for Bearbrum. It's gonna Phantasme. I should have just drew 2 cards because I can't link this guy off. I could only link off. Also, you could only use Beast Warrior, Winged Beast as materials for the rest of the turn. Linked off for Rugal, Bearbrum's effect, add Revolt, put back a Pot of Prosperity. It was turn 2, so I was able to battle. Set a card, end phase, he gets his Phantasme back. It's gonna summon Tour Guide and then Kagamushi Knight, Veiler, Tour Guide, and then he's going to Phantasme, discard that danger one. Veiler, negate, gate. It's gonna summon itself. Cherubini. Scales, gonna gain. Seer, special summon. Puts into a Rusty. Whoa. It's for a Rusty, and then I Revolt. Those for Shureg. The heck was that? Chainlink 1, Chainlink 2, Chainlink 3, Chainlink 4. Chainlink 4 is gonna add, Chainlink 3 is gonna dump, Chainlink 2 is gonna add in. Oh wow. Banish, he went for the Verte. I did not see that coming. Verte Dragoon, pop. Way too early. Fractal effect is gonna negate, discard. Did not gain because Fractal was not destroyed and went to the graveyard. Cat, 2 kits. I went to battle. I destroyed the Verte with Kit. Ferrigite. Kit's gonna dump Nerval. Nerval's gonna add Fractal. Ferrigite's gonna special. Fractal. 1, 2, 3, 4. For Shureg. Shureg's effect is gonna banish Dragoon. Reinforcements of the army and is surrendered. Let's duel wins. Right here, I should have just, because he went first, right? This game would have probably been over in like a couple turns, 4 turns or something. Oh, what's going on here? Just doing some PK Fire shenanigan. Seer, revive back. Rusty's gonna dump and set. Gloves, Spanish. Dump Cloak. Scales, summon, Scales, discard, dump, Jackalope, summon the Snake, Apple, Cloak, banish, add Boots, special summon Boots, end phase. right here. I had the Dark Ruler as he had Shade set. I should have just activated, got out the yeah, I could have Ash Bait, activate, Dragoon, pop, pop, and then attack. Got the end perm, Dark Ruler, but I went for the Tri Brigade shenanigan. And right here, Lancia. Was not expecting a Lancia. I can't banish. Neither players can banish for the rest of the turn. And a Phantasme. Bearbrum. Destroy itself. Get the Revolt. I should have never set this. Oh, look at that. Xyz effect. Pop. Now I'm gonna have to use it. It's gonna break sword the Revolt and yeah. Shureg, break sword. Bunch of chain links has happened. How many chain links is that? Chain link 5. Banishing the Rusty. Cloak, banish, Greaves, add Greaves. Boots, banish, add Fogblade. Unicorn, effect, discard, return, Shades activate special, access code. It's gonna gain 3,000 because of Unicorn, and now it's game from there. Oh, Zoro wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Game 3 was so close. 200 life points each, 300 life points each. It was back and forth, crazy. Right there. He shotgunned the Lancia too. Oh, but then I got the Gamma. Discard special effect, Grave effect, Nerval. Gonna add the other Fractal. And for Omega, banished itself. I needed to make room here. Yeah, if I would have put Farajit right here, I would have been screwed. I probably should have made Bearbrum. Drop, put back, Rugal. Bearbrum, get the Revolt, put Fractal at the bottom of the deck, and that's it. Twin Twister, well, I'll activate it. Those for Bearbrum, Nerval, Kit, dump Karis, Nerval, add Fractal, Bearbrum, add Revolt and put a card back, which is going to be Fractal. Summon Tour Guide, Tour Guide's effect. I will Rugal, main phase 1 effect, special Fractal. Shureg's effect, if a beast is special summon, I get to banish a card on the field. It's gonna triple Tactics Talent. It's gonna use it for to go to a Verte. The heck was that? Verte, pay 2,000, copyright as fusion, Dragoon, pop, Attack. 300 life points to 6,000. I win this one though. Getting back Omega. Set the revolt. Kill the Verte. I thought I'd shoot up here. And I activate. So I want to put back his card to his. Boots was sent from the banish to grave. Okay. Then he's going to negate it. No, he's going to pop it. But I would have been dead if he popped it, but Omega's effect. This one right here. Once per turn during. Oh wait. Okay, not that one. Quick effect. Banish this. Both this card. One. Which one is it? This card and one random card. The first one right there. Then I will revolt and he's going. Since I have no monsters, on a revolt, it's gonna chain Dragoon, discarding talent to negate it, but I have no monsters, and I get. I'll negate it, so revolt goes through. I should have probably did. Instead of this guy, Kit and Nerval. But I got those three for Shureg and Rugal. Yeah. That was on his turn, yeah. My turn. Standby phase, he gets the card back and Omega comes back. Cat. Banish, you get 2 kits. I don't know why I didn't activate Fog Blade. Oh, it's a continuous, okay. Special effect, banish. Went for a Verte. How come I couldn't do I am not sure why I could not do that. Does this guy say a restriction? Doesn't say anything. I don't know why I could not go into a Verte right here. Does this guy say anything? Nothing. Okay. See, I was only able to make this guy dark. Why couldn't I activate it? Attack. Attack goes through a summon shade in defense. Destroy, and now he has 200 life points left. Main phase 2, I go to Apo, just in case. What the hell was that? Omega, return, and return. Grave effect. Cloak and boots. Cherubini sends scales. Boots gets fog blade. I was waiting for the negate here. There we go. Not really sure, but yeah, scales, negate. If I did one more negate, banish to get Greaves. Seddon must be the fog blade, yeah. And right here, almost summon Fractal. Battle, and let's duel this. How was I not able to Dragoon? Anybody watching, let me know. I don't know. That was 3, right? Yeah, that's 1, 2, and 3. Gotta be the third one. Does he have a deck? 419. I hope that was all 3 and I didn't skip one or something. We were at 1246, 1266, 419, 419. Let's check it out. 44 card deck. Not bad. That was a close one. 260, 261, finally 1-1. Comment, share, like if you sub it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.